What's up, guys? Today there's a new update today. We're going to go check it out. Alright? I've seen that. Look right there, and look, new cosmetics. I had to get on, so yeah. I've heard you need a grappler, but not this. I just found this when I was hopping on, so yeah. Alright, so let's get in. Oh my, new items. Wait, I have to make it back. Wait, how do I make it back? No, wait, there's new items I forgot about. Okay, so there's an area. There's a new place. Let me see. Nothing around here. Okay, let's just go down. I don't even care. I'm just gonna die right now. I'm gonna die anyways. Oh, new grappler. Gotta buy. But how am I supposed to make it back? I don't even know how to. Grappler. Let's try getting this back. And then I'm going to try to... this. Alright. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. And I made it back. We messed up, so let's go again. Yeah, no, I'm just gonna go. So we got the first one right here. I'm just gonna leave and come back. What if I just do that? Alright, we're going to grab these new items. I don't know how to. Alright, let's grab these items. Guys, please subscribe because this is actually a really good update. We're gonna go try these out and see what are these. What do you do with these? Messed up. Okay, there's another one right here. What if we just grab it? Okay. Oh. Yes. Is there any promo code? Here, let me down here. Alright. We're actually doing good right now? Almost done. I'm just gonna grab until we have a whole full bag. So I was gonna try getting every of them, but I forgot to bring a little bag. So alright, that's a full bag. Alright, so now I'm going to leave, quit, get back. Alright, now we're going back to Animal Company, and then we're gonna try and see what they do. So I hope it's worth it. I'm not buying. I think they're new items. You don't have to buy them. But please subscribe, guys, because I'm almost to 400. And YouTube, they actually updated something. You could check who subscribed. So if you're a 400 subscriber and you play, oh my goshers. No.
I had that. It's like goo.
Where are we? Wait, guys, let me try something real quick.
By the way, the next lava chicken, if you sing it, he will appear if you're in the
I hope this is not, Yeah, we just actually went into... I just went into a modded lobby.
Guys, yo!
For some reason.
I'm taking this. Peace out. Peace out. I'm too much.
I'm just getting every light bag. No, I'm just getting every light thing.
That cheese.
Yo, what is going on right now?
Guys, who left this? Who left this out in safe zone? Who left this in safe zone?
Yo, I'm just getting light bag.
Bro, somebody left a flashlight backpack. What? Me, I did. I did that.
Hey, what's
I
in-
did that.
What's in this?
Can I keep it?
Oh, grappler, grappler.
Yes, sir.
No.
I have 2 flashlights and technology. Go. Thank you.
Hey, what's over here? Oh, no.
No, don't stop.
Hey, wait, guys, let me try something real quick. I just got in. For some reason, I got into a modded lobby. I'm sorry, guys. I don't know how, but we will go back. I'm sorry. I really love modded lobbies. And it's so laggy. I don't know why it's so laggy, guys. Please subscribe. It is laggy for me.
Well, Linus, join me right now. Whoever did this.
This is so laggy. Here, let me leave that bag and take this one.
It was your mom that did it. Oh, that makes sense.
What if I-
I need a lava chicken there. It's tasty as hell. Ooh, mamacita, now you're ringing the bell. Crispy and juicy, now you're having a snack. Ooh, super spicy, it's a lava.
Alright, guys, I'm just grabbing everything I need.
Lava dude! Need a shotgun,
We need a camera. We should go with a fan.
Why not a chicken?
I can't,
Like,
but
I'm
I
lagging
wish.
so
I
bad
wish you
that
could
my
put...
brain is lagging. Oh my god. That's bad. Like my little brain is lagging. It's another attack!
I'm gonna keep looking around until I'm finished.
Oh, I found more guns!
It feels like I'm shopping.
That was me. I found them. I found
It's
some.
like a hard ray gun. Wait, I'm gonna just get a ray gun. But first, I'm gonna... Oh my gosh. For some reason, I'm just getting...
grappler.
Here, let me get a ray gun. Let me get a ray gun real quick, guys.
I'm moving out. Thanks, guys, for giving me 3 flashlight backpacks. Peace.
Oh, I don't need that.
No one's gonna leave the code.
No
lines.
way.
This is an overpowered code. Nobody's leaving this code and
This is the best code I've
I know it's why you need someone to leave. For real,
And I don't
give
know
me a
what
kiss.
to
Give me a kiss, frog. Give me a kiss,
Cat.
Like,
Will
you don't understand.
Cat, will you send my friend request? Will you send my friend request?
Okay, but for real though, there are too many people here.
I'm leaving. I'm about to leave. I'm about to leave to a different code. Just friend me so I can join back when I need to. When I just need, when I need 50 fans, I'll join back and like 50 galaxy everything and colorful deals. I'll just join back, dude. But you have to friend. You have to friend.
I have too many flashlight backpacks, bro.
True that.
I was like, oh my gosh, I'm sorry, guys. I just came back now. Oh, and there's people here. Oh my. Sorry about that. I'll leave. Here, wait. Oh, finally, guys. No one's in here. I thought someone came in. Okay, wait, let me check something real quick. Wait, where's the other one? I don't know why, but I missed. Oh, there it is. For some reason, I like small ones. For some reason. Sorry, guys. I like small suitcases, not big. Alright, so now. Where did. Okay. It's right here. So now I'm gonna take all of this and. We'll see. Oh, no. That's the wrong ones. Oh! Okay, stop. Good stuff for me. No. Let's get it back. Yeah, I'm coming. Sorry guys, that was my mom. Okay, so that's the one. Alright. So we got everything now. This is different. Okay, that's all that we got right now. Look what we got. Tell me if this is W. Sorry, that's... Yeah. I didn't find good things. We found this. These are the only ones that are different from everything. I'm gonna take everything now. To the video now. Sorry, guys. Alright, now. So we got this bag. We're gonna see what it does now. We're gonna take one, see what it does. So we're gonna go over here. What does it do? Oh my... What does it do? Nothing. It does not do anything, guys. So all of this does nothing. I'm just gonna leave it. Oh, nothing. But what if we created a big one? I created big ones now. Let's see. I can't even run anymore. I can't even run anymore. Wait, that was sick. Alright, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, it was kind of really good, guys. Please subscribe and peace out.